Hi everyone, how are you? Our today's lesson is use of hyperlinks and images like this. This is a sample. In previous lesson, I promise you I will give you the solution of this. So like this, we want to develop a page. So this is a first row, this is column, and this is second column. And in first column, we have some hyperlinks. When you click on hyperlink, this home page detail will appear. When you click on profile, see student detail will come. When you click on school, so school details will come. So like this, okay. So when page like this, a combination of different layouts, then we will divide this page into different files. So first file we will create will be the main file, main.html, or it's better give index.html. So in which we will create use of frame set and frames, row and columns. Okay, so let's start. I have made the samples simple structure to save time, so we will start now. So HTML lesson 5. So first we will create main file, index file that will open with notepad. Okay, so I have made just structures to save time. So HTML, close HTML, head, close head, and in head we use title student website, and body, close body. And when we create a frame set and frame, we don't write in the body, only we create under the heading. After the heading we create frame set. So we want one row and frame set. We want to divide in rows equal. First row we want 20%, and rest of the area we want, suppose asterisk. We don't mean rest of the area is just 80%, so asterisk. So we close the tag frame set. In this frame set we want a frame whose source will be a file, quotation start and quotation close. Initially we will put it blank, then in the end we will put the file here. And now new thing, we will give the name of this frame also. This frame, so after source mention name. Name is equal to what? For example, this is row 1. Okay. So row 1 will be in quotations and close the tag. This is very important. In previous exercise we didn't apply this. This is the name of this frame. See, this first row is the row 1. So we are giving the name so that when we want to display information, we will mention the frame name. Okay. So this one, row 1. Now we will create, first row is 20%. Now rest of the area we will create another frame set. SRC is equal to what we want to display. So in this column, first column, we want to divide. So first we will divide frame set into columns. Then we will create frames. So first column, again for example 25%. Okay, 25% and comma. Now we are giving rest of the area, we are giving 75%. So close the quotations and close the tag. This is second frame set. So in this frame set, it's better start here. We will create another frame Now first frame here, two columns are there. Now we will create one frame which will display the main menu, this one: student website, home, profile, school, and sports and awards. So src equal, here we will put the file name. And what is the name of this frame? This. So we will mention the name here. Name is menu. Okay, name is, sorry, this one is not menu, this is column 1. We are giving column 1. Name is column 1 and tag the close. Now, second, we will create another frame. src is equal to a file which will display what type of informations? This home. This home details information, like home file details. When you click on home, so what are the details of the C? Click on home, so it is coming in column 2. Okay, so this tag name is equal to, in quotations, column 2, means this frame name where it will bring the file, this file in column 2. Okay, close the tag. Now copy and paste. Next frame is, we want to display another profile here after home, profile. So here src, we will put the file name later. Name is, again we want to display again in column 2. Next is src, we want to display the school details, source detail school file, but again in column 2. Here next frame src, we want to display the sports file here and again in name column 2. Again src of HTML file we will use and name again column 2, that is awards. Okay, so now close the frame set here, close the tag, and now close this frame also. This frame set is for first row and this frame set is for 2 columns and any where we want to display the data. So this for column 1 and column 2, and this frame set close here. So we will close here, tag frame set, so here slash, close the frame set, and now body and close body is there, HTML is there. So we have created the main index file where we will call this one details and for column 1 and column 2. Now see, in first is the menu. This menu detail will appear in column 1. So here we will call menu dot html, where it should appear in column 1. Column 1 is name of this frame. We have created this frame, first one. Okay, this menu HTML file will come. So save this file index first. Okay, and then okay, I will bring you first, bring to the menu file first. This is the menu file. Open with Notepad. So this is a basic structure: HTML, heading, title, site menu, bodies. We are using center tag and tag H1 student website, bold italic tag Islamia English School, and close italic and bold, and BR for break line, mean new line, and another line also. We have just created two files, two empty lines. We have created two empty lines. So for home, we want to see what is in the home tag, home file. So what we want to create in home file, we want to create as where we have written, in menu tag. So we have written student website Islamia School, and two lines we have created. Okay, so here we will write this is a menu. Okay, so we want to create the menu file now. So we will open the menu file basic structure. This is the menu file basic. Now we will write here, this is the heading as I explained, student website Islamic English School, bold and italic is there, center to keep the data in center, H1 tag is there to make it bold. So now here, see in the heading what is there, hyperlink, home, profile. We will put all 5 hyperlinks. Okay, so for this we will use hyperlink tag, start with a href equal to, we will call here home dot html. Okay, now before in previous assignment we have used only href and file name. Now here we will use target. Target is equal to, in quotation, column 2, close in quotation, close the tag, and then display name of the hyperlink home. Okay, and now close this /a, a tag, and create a new line. So first a href home dot, this one, home dot html file, we want to create a hyperlink for home. So we will open HTML home.html file here and clicking on that, but where it should open, target is column 2. This is the target, column 2 is the target. Okay, so when you will click on that home, so data will display here. Target is column 2 now. So this is the logic. So main value, target is column 2, and this is a display. You can display my home or home, whatever the title you want, like this home. Main display, whatever you want you can write. You can write here. It is up to you. Okay. Now copy this. Control C and paste it here. Now second, see, profile.html, and target again. When you click on profile, we want to open in the column 2. Okay, this is clear now. So profile.html, target is column 2, and here we will write display name profile. Okay, so like this we will continue. Third is school. small name all we give, school.html, target is column 2 again, and here we want to print as a school, or you can say our school. Okay, like this. Now next is sports. So on hyperlink, sports hyperlink, we will call sports file sports.html, and target same again, column 2 is the target. Okay, and display name is sports. Next, href, and here is awards, target same, column 2, and display name is awards. Close the tags. Okay, so these are the hyperlinks for column 1 where we want to display there. So we will save this file. Okay, so we will run the file menu. See, it is coming here separate because still we didn't connect this data with the column 2. We didn't put the exact name of the frame. Okay, so we will go there. Now we will open the main index file. This is the index file. Sorry, we will close. Right click and open with notepad. See, here we didn't mention the file names. Okay, so in this there are 5 to 6 files are here. So we will use these files, we will call these files here. So frame set for first row, which is 20%, what we want to call here. So I will show you. So for this we will create a heading file. So we'll go to lesson HTML file, go to the heading file. This is the heading file. See, so simple structure, we will write here center tag, then h1 tag, then marquee tag, and now we will write, for example, here what this is okay, our website. Our website we want to display. So these 3 tags we will copy and paste here, and we will close as well. Close center, close h1, and close marquee tag. Okay, marquee tag is used to slide text from by default by right to left, from right to left. So we will save the file. Okay, and then heading, run the file. See, it is coming because we didn't call in our program, so this is coming. Okay, so heading we have done. Now profile file we will use. This is the profile file. HTML, head, title, profile, heading, body. So in profile, so what we want to display the, close the tag, we want to display the student name. For example, close h1 tag, break line, move the cursor to the next line. Now one additional tag we will use here, a new tag, that is OL. order list mean when you want to create a list of options or list of values, we use this OL tag, order list tag. So here now within that we will use for list li, for list li tag. So what we want here, grade for example 1 and close li tag. Okay, now copy paste. What we want to display about the students, number 1 grade, number 2 maybe section, and number 3 maybe date of joining. Okay, we'll make it short. For example, okay, here we will write section, that is C, and here date of joining, we will write the date, for example 24/4/2016. okay, when she joined the school, on this date. Okay, so now we want to close OL tag order list, we want to close it. Okay, you can add more options. So here we want image tag src source is equal to an image of the student. Here you can width is equal to, in quotation you can mention in pixels 300, and height is equal to again 300 you can mention, and close the tag. Right, close the body also, and close HTML also, save the file. So we will check separate, we will check this is profile, see it is coming. So this is end of lesson. Please write in comments as well and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.